Hello everyone and welcome to our presentation of software development. My name is Leon from Group Fantastic 2 and my partner is Esther, and we will be presenting our software Royal Vista, which is a software for cinema. I will be explaining briefly about the code while Esther is going to briefly explain our program and will run through our program. In this presentation, we will share with you the main features and benefits of the cinema software that we have developed for this project. Cinema software is a type of custom software solution that can help cinema owners and operators to manage their business more efficiently and effectively. It can also enhance the customer experience and satisfaction by providing convenient and secure ticketing options.
Now I will proceed the next slide. First, I would like to explain about the objective of our program. This program aims to simplify the movie ticket purchase process, making it more convenient for customers. In addition, this program can collect valuable data on customer preferences, such as gather insights on popular movies or track booking times for analysis. This program is also designed to enhance the overall movie-going experience for customers. Next, the strength of this program is that it allows customers to select their preferred movie, date, time slot, and seating choices. Furthermore, this program prompts customers to enter their food and beverage preferences, with this step being entirely optional. Next, customers can save time by avoiding long queues at the cinema. Customers can also clearly see the total cost of their expenses with an online receipt. The limitation of this program is that it only accepts cash payments, which may not suit customers who prefer digital or card payments. In addition, this program does not offer refund options. This program also does not provide physical tickets, which display receipts and movie tickets online. Next, I will briefly explain our program. First, it will commence by displaying an up-to-date catalog of currently screening movies, accompanied by respective time slots, allowing users to make an informed selection. Once the user selects their desired movie, they will be prompted to choose a suitable time slot for the screening. Following this, the program will seek input from the user regarding the number of adults, children, and senior citizens in their party. To enhance the user experience, the system will offer a visual seating chart, enable users to pick their preferred seats, ensuring a personalized and comfortable viewing experience. For added convenience, the system also offers the option to select food and beverages, though this step is entirely optional. After this, the program proceeds to calculate the total cost, the selected movie, the number of tickets, seat preferences, and any chosen food and beverages. Subsequently, the program will guide users through the payment process, strictly accepting cash payments. Users will be prompted to confirm their payment, after which they will receive an online ticket. So now I will run and explain our program. First, when you run our code, it will display a movie menu for users to choose. Example, we choose the first movie, Trolls Band Together. It will continue to the next function called date, and we can choose the date. If you choose a date is not on the list, it will print not available and calls the function again. So we choose 4th December. So we can choose the timing now. We have two options here and we choose either one. Let's say we choose the second one. It will print successful. Enjoy your movie at the time you choose. Then it will call the next function, which is the price menu. Here we can insert the number of tickets you want. Let's say we have one adult, one child, and no senior citizens. After insert the number of tickets, we are able to choose the movie seats. So the GUI code will display the seat chart. So click the seats you want and submit it. Let's say we choose D5 and D6 and submit. So it will display the output that you have chosen. The next part is the food and beverage part. It will show a menu and prices and ask you want to buy food or not. If you want to buy, just enter yes. It will ask you to enter food item that you want. So let's have a popcorn, that is number 1, and enter the quantity you want. The system will ask you whether you still want to order. So let's add a cotton candy, that is 3, and enter the quantity. So after ordering the food, we can press enter to stop the program. And it will end the system with a receipt of the movie name, the price tickets, and the food cost. If you don't want to have any food and the beverages after choosing the seats, you can just enter no at here, and the receipt will direct come up with displaying the movie name and the movie ticket cost. So this is our program.
So now I'll be starting from the movie ticket.py and explaining the highlighted part of this program. And for the first part, which is our function display GUI, we made a Python app using Thinker to let the user book cinema seats. We have a function called display GUI that takes the total tickets as an argument. It creates a window with a title selected seats. Inside the function, we have another function called submit that checks the selected seats and prints the result. If the user selects too many seats, it prints an error message. Otherwise, it prints the selected seats and closes the window. We also have a dictionary to store the seats names and variables. We use a loop to create check buttons for each seat and place them on the window in a grid. The seat names are like A1, A2, up to G10. We have a button to submit the seats and call the submit function. We call the display GUI function with the total tickets and start the window loop. The next part of code is a function that displays a menu of movie for the user to choose from. And this main menu.txt is a list of menus of movies available in the cinema. Next, for the function menu, it doesn't take any parameters. It uses a global variable f, which keeps track of how many times the user has seen the menu. Every time the function is called, f is increased by 1. The function also has two lists, movie names. The date function reads a file called date.txt, which contains the available dates for the movies. The timing function takes the movie number as a parameter and uses it to access a list of dictionaries called timings. Each dictionary in the list contains the available time for each movie. The price menu function shows the user the price options for the movie. For the next part is the ticketing function, which is named ticket. For this function, it will calculate the total cost of the tickets for the user based on the number of adult, child, and senior citizens ticket they wanted to buy. The function uses 3 variables: adult price, child price, and senior citizen price, which is SC price as the short form. These three variables stores the price of the tickets for each category. The adult price is 18, while the child price and the senior citizen price are both 9. The code also has another function called movie cost, which takes the total cost as a parameter and returns it. This function is a placeholder for now, but it can be modified later to add some additional logic or calculations. And this is all the coding for this module, movie ticket.py. For the next module, food beverages.py, which is another module for customers to buy food and beverage.
In this part of the code, we have two functions, food menu and order. The food menu function reads a file called food.txt, which contains the names and prices of the food items. The order function creates an empty dictionary called items, which will store the item numbers and quantities that the user orders. In the next code, we have four functions: calculate total cost, receipt, main food, and food cost. So, these functions are used to calculate the total cost of the food items that the user orders, print a receipt, display the food menu, and return the food cost. The calculate total cost function takes a dictionary of items as a parameter, where the keys are the item numbers and the values are the quantities. The receipt function takes the total cost as a parameter and prints it using the print function. It formats the total cost to 2 decimal places and adds the currency symbol RM. The main food function displays the food menu by calling another function called food menu. The function then initializes a variable called total to 0, which will store the total cost of the food items. The food cost function calls the main food function and returns its result.
Next, I will proceed the next module. In this part of the code, I have a function called generate receipt here, which takes three parameters: movie name, movie cost, and food cost. These parameters represent the name, the cost of the movie tickets, and the cost of the food items that the user has purchased. It will be displayed here: movie name, movie cost, food cost, and the grand total. The function prints a receipt using the print function. It prints a line of dashes to separate the receipt from the rest of the output. It prints the movie name, the movie ticket cost, and the food item cost using the parameters. It also prints the grand total by adding the movie cost and the food cost. It prints a thank you message and another line of dashes to end the receipt. The code also imports two modules, movie ticket and food beverage. These modules contains the function that calculate the movie cost and the food cost. The code calls this function and passes the return value to generate the receipt function.
That's all from us. Thank you.